Our strawberries came today. 250 strawberries and ladybugs. I don't know what to expect when I open this box. Oh, they're just in there chilling. It's dusk right now. Somebody did say if whenever put them on, put them in first thing in the morning or at dusk. So the instructions say to spray this mixture on all of the foliage. So I'm just going to go around and spray everything. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open this up and it says to put it at the base of the plant. So I'm going to just kind of sprinkle them around the base of the plant. They are getting to work. Yes, find all the aphids and eat them, please. They are looking for the good stuff. I want them to find it. Okay, it's the next day and the ladybugs are still at work. They are crawling all over the pepper plants, having a nice old aphid meal. So, this is very good. Okay, so I am taking all of this rabbit poop and dividing it between these two beds right here, right underneath this trellis, and I'm just spreading it all around these pepper plants. And then the girls, they scooped up some wood chips for me, and so I am going to be top mulching all of these plants because there has to be a better way to keeping these plants nice and hydrated. And so I am going to mulch this time around and see the difference, see how it is. Okay, so it's also time to plant cucumbers, and so I'm really excited about our cucumbers. We have the Garden Sweet Burpless, some homemade pickles, and the National Pickles, Space Master, the Armenian, and the lemon. We also have the Tasty Green, the Suyo Long. I only have one Suyo Long. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to direct sow and see if we can't get some more. I have one butternut squash and like one or two loofahs. I don't know how strong that little other one is. But the loofahs aren't going over here. The loofahs are actually going to go on a different trellis. So I'm going to plant my cucumbers, and it's nice because cucumbers, if you're doing the square foot garden method, you can plant your cucumbers 6 inches apart. And so it's nice. I have my spade here and it's exactly 6 inches. So that's going to make spacing like really, really easy.